My soul say yes. Oh, yes. My soul say yes. Na 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 na. My soul say yes. Oh no. DJ Jerryman, let the one drop roll. Let the bassline smile. Today we sing with open hearts. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same. Your love steady.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board. Please like, share and comment as you join. God bless you.
You've been faithful all these years, and my soul says yes, yes to your will. Yes to your will. Even when it's still, my soul says yes. Yes every day. Lead me, Lord. I will obey. You lifted burdens I could not bear. You answered prayers I spoke in despair. You made a river in desert ground. You turned my world around and around. Oh, so my soul say yes, yes without fear. Yes in the valley, yes on the hill. My soul say yes, loud and clear. Anywhere you send me, I will go still. No chains can hold me, no doubt can bind. You gave me peace deep in my mind. Freedom ringing like island breeze. My heart at rest, my spirit at ease. Say yes in the morning, yes in the night. Yes when the future not in my sight. Yes in the waiting, yes in the test. Your plans for me, always the best. And my soul say yes, yes with a smile. Yes when the road go extra mile. My soul say yes, again and again. You are my savior, you are my friend. Let the guitar dance like mercy. Let the drums clap praise. Let every step I'm taking bring you glory all my days. If you open the door, my soul say yes. If you close the door, my soul say yes. If you bless me more, my soul say yes. If you teach me through love, my soul say yes. Yes to your will, yes to your will. Yes to your hand, yes to your hand. Yes to the journey, yes to the journey. You already planned. Yes to the call, yes to the call. Yes to the treasure, worth more than lost. And my soul say yes, forever yes, till my final breath, and nothing less. Oh, my soul say yes. Oh, my soul say yes. To the King of Kings, my righteousness. My soul say yes. Yes, yes, yes. My soul say yes.
Still close.
Welcome on board. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. It's a worship moment.
DJ Jerryman.
Please kindly like, share, comment as you join. God bless you. That means a whole lot to me. Don't go anywhere. The best is here to come.
Where the heart can breathe. There were days when the road ahead felt uncertain. Steps taken slow.
The title for this one is
wondering where
Stay Close. Stay Close.
Questions move through my thoughts, and the silence surround me. Sometimes felt heavier than the answers I hope to find. I searched for meaning in seasons that seemed to last longer than I expected. Why some praise, wait patiently
But somewhere between the waiting and the whispered hopes of my heart, I began to see
something gentle.
You were still close, not loud, not overwhelming,
just present,
like a calm light resting at the edge of dawn, before the world awakens. You were close when strength felt distant, close when hope felt delicate, close when my heart wondered how the story would continue. Looking back now, I see the quiet ways you carried me forward, the doors that opened when I expected none,
the peace that arrived when worry tried to remain,
the courage that appeared right when fear tried to speak louder. None of it was by chance. It was you, your kindness moving gently through moments I did not yet understand. Your grace writing a story beyond what I could see. So tonight I come simply, no hurry in my words, no need to explain everything, just gratitude rising slowly from a heart that finally understands. Through every doubt, every delay, every silent prayer, in the night you were still close. And if your presence has carried me this far, then tomorrow feels different now, because the same God who walked beside me yesterday is already waiting in the morning. So I rest tonight, Lord, not knowing every detail ahead, but trusting the truth that remains steady, no matter where the road leads. You are still close.
give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray.
Give me oil in my lamp.
Give me oil.
Give me oil in my lamp.
Give me oil.
Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil.
Give me oil.
Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil.
Give me oil.
Give me oil.
Give me oil.
Give me oil. Give me Jerryman. Give me oil.
Give me Jerryman.
Give me Jerryman. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil.
Give me oil.
Give me oil.
Give me oil.
Give me oil in my lamp.
Give me oil in my lamp.
Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp.
Give me oil.
DJ Jerry. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil.
Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil in my lamp.
Give me oil.
Please kindly like, share, comment. Let me know where you are watching from. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Don't go anywhere, the best is yet to come.
Give me oil in my lamp.
Give me
Jerryman,
Give me oil.
DJ Jerryman,
Give me oil.
give me oil in my
Always near.
Welcome on board. Please kindly like, share, and comment. Let me know where you are watching from. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do so as a means of supporting the platform, and I will ever be grateful for that. God bless you. The title for this one is Always Near. Always Near. Let's check it out. Don't go anywhere. The best is yet to come. Welcome on board.
DJ Jerryman, let the guitar whisper softly tonight. No rushing rhythm, just a gentle space for the heart to remember. There were days when the road felt unfamiliar, steps I took carefully, not knowing what waited beyond the next turn. Questions lingered in my thoughts, and the quiet around me sometimes felt deeper than the words I wanted to hear. I searched for meaning in moments that seem slow, wondering why some prayers take longer to unfold. But somewhere in the stillness, between every hopeful whisper and every uncertain step, I began to notice something. You were always near, not with thunder, not with noise, but with a steady calm that never left. Like a gentle light resting at the edge of dawn, waiting patiently for the day to begin. You were near when strength felt distant, near when hope felt delicate, near when my heart wondered how the story would continue. Looking back now, I see the quiet ways you were guiding every moment, the doors that opened when I expected none, the peace that arrived when worry tried to stay, the courage that appeared when fear thought it had won. None of it happened by chance. It was your kindness moving through the unseen spaces of my life. Your grace writing chapters I could never have planned. So tonight I come simply, no rushing words, no complicated prayers, just gratitude rising gently from a heart that finally understands. Through every doubt, every delay, every silent prayer in the night, you were always near. And if your presence has carried me this Because the same God who walked beside me yesterday is already waiting in the morning. So I rest tonight, Lord, not knowing every detail ahead, but trust in the truth that has never changed. No matter where the road goes, you are always near.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly like, share and comment as you join. God bless you. The title for this one is Be My Rest.
DJ Jerryman.
Be My Rest.
Let the keys fall gently.
And don't forget, all these songs were made available in all music app stores that you can actually access at your own convenient time. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board.
Until the quiet of this moment arrived. All day I carry thoughts that never stop moving. Plans, worries, expectations slowly filled every corner of my mind. But now I'm here again, standing before you, without the need to pretend I'm strong, because you already know. You know the hidden battles that never make it into conversation. You know the prayers that form in the heart before they ever reach the lips. And somehow your presence makes the weight begin to lift. Not because everything changes at once, but because your love reminds me that I was never meant to face life alone. You have been patient with me through every restless season, through every moment when my faith felt small. Still you remain. Still you waited. Still your mercy stayed open, like a door that never closes. So tonight I bring you what I truly need to release. The worries I tried to solve alone, the fears I tried to hide behind confidence, and the dreams I held too tightly, I place them all in your hands, because your hands have never failed to carry what my heart cannot hold. Be my rest tonight, Lord. Let your peace settle where anxiety once lived. Let your presence quiet the noise inside my mind. And when morning comes again, with its new responsibilities and questions, let this moment stay with me. The reminder that peace is not found in controlling tomorrow, but in trusting the one who already walks there. So I breathe again. Not in fear of what may come, but in the quiet assurance that wherever the road leads, your presence will still be the place. My soul can rest
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Kindly like, share, comment, let me know where you are watching from. Welcome on board. The title for this one is Beside Me. Beside Me is the title. Beside Me.
Let the guitar whisper tonight. No heavy rhythm, no crowded sound, just soft chords and space for the heart. There were evenings when I sat quietly, trying to understand my journey. Some days felt clear, others felt like a long hallway with no visible door. I asked questions I didn't even know how to finish. And sometimes the silence around me felt deeper than my words. But in that quiet place between waiting and hoping, I began to notice something gentle. You were beside me, not always speaking loudly, not always changing everything at once. Just present, like a calm companion, walking the road without ever turning away. You were beside me when strength felt distant. Beside me when courage felt small. Beside me when my thoughts wandered into places faith struggled to reach. Looking back now, I see how many times you quietly lifted the weight, the peace that arrived when worry filled the room, the unexpected strength that appeared in difficult moments, the small kindnesses of life that reminded me I was not alone. None of it was random, it was you. Your mercy guiding steps I didn't even know you were directing. Your patience holding me steady while my heart learned how to trust again. So tonight I slow down, no complicated prayers, no rushed words, just gratitude rising gently from a quiet heart. Because through every uncertain season and every silent night, you stayed beside me. And if your presence has carried me this far, then tomorrow feels lighter already. Because the same God who walked beside me yesterday will still be walking when the morning comes. So I rest tonight, Lord, not in perfect understanding, but in peaceful confidence. Wherever the path continues, stay beside me.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio with original song produced from the studio, made available in all music app store. Please kindly visit
DJ Jerryman. Let the piano stay soft tonight.
kindly like, share and comment. Let me know where you are watching from. God bless you.
There are moments when the world feels far too loud, when every voice around me is asking for more than my strength can give. And in those moments, my soul begins to search again for the place where where peace lives. So I turn to you. Not because I have mastered faith, but because every time I draw near, something inside me remembers what it feels like to be whole. You have never needed grand words from me. Even the quiet sigh of a tired heart is enough for you to listen.
It's a worship moment.
Somehow your presence
Welcome
makes
on board.
the chaos lose its power. The fears that look so large begin to shrink when they stand beside your faithfulness. You remind me that life was never meant to be carried by my strength alone. Even when my path twists in directions I did not expect, your hand is already there, guiding what I cannot see. Tonight I do not ask for many things. I do not ask for perfect answers or a life without struggle. I simply ask for one gift that changes everything. Bring me closer, closer to the quiet confidence that you are already working. Closer to the peace that grows in the shadow of your love. Closer to the place where my worries finally learn how to rest. Because the closer I move toward you, the clearer life becomes. And the more I realize that the greatest blessing I could ever receive is not a miracle in my circumstances, but the miracle of knowing you are always near. So draw me closer tonight, Lord, closer than my doubts, closer than my fears, until my heart learns that every step toward you is a step toward home.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board. Please kindly like, share and comment. Let me know where you are watching from. The title for this one is Ever Near, Ever Near. And all these songs were made available in all music app stores that you can actually access any platform of your choice. Please kindly do so.
DJ Jerryman,
DJ Jerryman is the artist,
the guitar
and I
breathes
have a whole lot of albums there.
no heavy drums, just a quiet space where the soul can rest.
The title for this album that I'm playing all this music from is When I Sit With You. When I Sit With You is the title of the album. In case you prefer worship like this.
Questions lingered in my thoughts and the silence around me sometimes felt deeper than the hope I was trying to hold on to. I wondered why certain seasons seemed to stretch so long, why some prayers wait patiently in the quiet, but somewhere